Hey peeps, it's LaVeeda from What Can't LaVeeda Do. In today's video, I will be preparing my Akaso Brave 4 camera for first time use. I'll remove it from this waterproof case, I'll install the SD card, and I'll install the battery. So stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to take the camera out of this protective case. Apparently this is a waterproof case. I'm not sure if I'm going to be getting it in water anytime soon, but maybe this summer in a couple of months. Let's test that out. But to take it off, there's a little latch here. Flick it up, pull it back up, and pull the case down. And slide it right on out. It's like birthing a baby. Just slide right on out. Okay, so the camera comes with 2 batteries. I've been charging them for a few days. So the battery compartment is on the bottom. Squeeze that little lever open. Take one of the batteries out of this charging port, and there are 3 prongs back there. You want to line that up with the little slots on the battery right there. That's how you know you're getting it in there correctly. Press it in. Don't pull this little tab off because you're going to need that to remove the battery. Let's put the case back on. Voila. So now let's take the SD card out of the package. And again, this camera does not come with an SD card, so you will have to buy that separately. Okay, let's take a pair of scissors. It comes in a little case. So this is the actual SD card right there. This is an adapter, so that you put the SD card into the adapter and then you can put it into your laptop or your card reader to edit the videos. Okay, there's the little card, and there's the slot for the SD card. So there's no indication of which way it goes in. So let's try with the label facing me. And no, I'm feeling a little resistance. There's a little notch right there, so I'm going to flip it upside down with the label facing away from me. And I think that's it. Oh, it's a little difficult to slide in. There you go. You got to use your fingernail to really get it in there. Let's take this protective plastic off. And let's hit the power button, which is on front, right there. I'm seeing a blue light. Voila! 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 Okay, I'm seeing some things here. Can you see? Can you see? Alright, I think we're cooking it with grease. So the next video, I said that last video, but the next video, I'm actually going to use this to record a video. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but I'm going to use it. Thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank y'all. See you next time.